how can Finland have both this strong safety net, Amos, and yet be so highly ranked on the competitiveness scale? A lot of people in their head said those are diametrically opposed. If you have a strong safety net, you don't have the motivation to go out there and be competitiveness. But in all these rankings, you guys are in, at the top percentile in that. Why do you think that?
Yeah, I think, it's interesting. Well, I think that there is this this idea that all the social security benefits and services are kind of deeply interlinked. So you can think of this as kind of a wider resilience. So they kind of offers a kind of wider resilience, and some of it is based on residence. So not only citizenship, so that you're a resident, so you get automatically these kind of services, and then some are based on your employment. So then you get your pension and things connected with those, or occupational health and those kind of things. So there's within organizations, there's quite strongly this idea that they also kind of create these different types of support systems. But then how to be competitive. So that then that releases, you're encouraged then to a little bit exploring new possibilities, innovation. Yes, Finland is very innovative. There's lots of testing, inventiveness. So actually, like people talk about entrepreneurship quite a lot, but they a little bit forgotten this word of being an inventor, because and I think that's also I think many entrepreneurs are actually inventors. They're not necessarily amazingly business savvy, but they are able to kind of like identify a need and create it. So I think Finland has quite a lot of that, but Finland, compared to some other countries, also are not very good at selling those, kind of bringing them directly to market. But Finland are quite early adopters with technology, digital technologies, and so it's like like a big little country, so you can kind of test at scale quite quickly, and adoption is quite quick, and because the infrastructure is already there as well. The motivation is there because of the safety net.